हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम 501 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की एक सीरीज चला रहे हैं। उसका ये पार्ट 7 है। इसमें हम 301 से लेकर 350 तक करेंगे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। और ये ऐसे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन है जो कि एसएससी में बहुत बार रिपीट किए गए हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला है इनएक्सेसिबल, INACCESSIBLE, डिफिकल्ट, इम्पॉसिबल टू रीच, टू गेट। दुर्गम, indelible, INDELIBLE, that cannot be removed, erased, amit. Indict, INDICT, accuse formally of a crime, अभियोग लगाना. Ineligible, INELIGIBLE, not having necessary qualification to have or do something, अयोग्य. Inexorable, INEXORABLE, that cannot be stopped or changed, निष्ठुर. Interment, INTERMENT, the act of burying a dead person, दफन. Internment, INTERNMENT, the act of confining someone in a prison, नजरबंदी. Interregnum, a person, okay, spelling है INTERREGNUM, a period of time during which a country, an organization, etc. does not have a leader and is waiting for a new one. दो शासनों के बीच का काल. Judge, a person in a court who has the authority to decide how criminals should be punished or to make the legal decision, न्यायाधीश. Kennel, KNELL, 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 the sound of a bell sung slowly to announce a death, funeral, the end of something. शोक सूचक घंटे की ध्वनि. Landscape, LANDSCAPE, everything you can see when you look across a large area of land, परिदृश्य. Lapidist, LAPIDIST, a skilled worker who cuts and engraves precious stones, कुशल श्रमिक जो कीमती पत्थरों को काटता और उड़ेकता है, उकेरता है. Laxative, 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 a medicine, food, drink that makes somebody empty their bowels easily, पेट सफा करने वाली. Lease, LEASE, a legal agreement that allows you to use a building, piece of equipment, some land for a period of time, usually in return of rent, पट्टा. Legend, a story, so spelling is LEGEND, a story from ancient times about people and events that may not be true, दिव्य चरित्र. Loquacious, LOQUACIOUS, one who talks a lot, बातूनी. Maiden speech, MAIDEN, speech, the first speech made by a person, पहला भाषण. Memorandum, MEMORANDUM, a proposal, report on a particular subject for a person, an organization, a committee, etc. ज्ञापन. Mint, MINT, a place where money is coined by authority of the government. Taksala, momentous, MOMENTOUS, very important or serious, सबसे अहम. Monologue, a long speech by one person during a conversation that stops other person from speaking or expressing an opinion, स्वागत भाषण. Monotheism, MONOTHEISM, the belief that there is only one God, एकेश्वरवाद. Mortal, MORTAL, subject to death, नासवान. Mutiny, MUTINY, the act of refusing to obey the order of somebody in authority, especially by soldiers, sailors, Gadar. Mystic, MYSTIC, a person who tries to become united with God through prayers and meditation, and so understand important things that are beyond normal human understanding, रहस्यवादी. Neophyte, NEOPHYTE, a person who has recently started an activity, नवसिखुआ. Nymphomania, NYMPHOMANIA, The behavior of a woman who has a wants to have sex very often. स्त्रियों का कामोन मान. Obeisance. The OBEISANCE. The act of obeying. Other. Octagon. OCTAGON. A flat shape with 8 straight sides and 8 angles. Ashtapona. Omnipotent. OMNIPOTENT. Having total power, able to do anything. Sarvashaktiman. Omnipresent. OMNIPRESENT. Present everywhere. Sarvabhoot. Oncology. ONCOLOGY. Study and treatment of tumors. कर्क रोग विज्ञान. Optician. OPTICIAN. A person whose job is to examine people's eye and to recommend and sell glasses. प्रकाश विज्ञान शास्त्री. Opulent. OPULENT. Rich and superior in quality. धनी. Oration. ORATION. A formal speech made on a public occasion, especially as part of ceremony. भाषण. Orator. A person, okay, spelling है ORATOR. A person who is good at public speaking, who makes formal speeches. वक्ता. Ornithology. ORNITHOLOGIST. Ornithologist. A person who studies birds. पक्षी विज्ञानी. Orphan. ORPHAN. A child whose parents are dead. अनाथ. Pediatrics. PAEDIATRICS. Branch of medicine concerned with children and their disease. बच्चों की दवा करने की विद्या. Pandemonium. PANDEMONIUM. A situation in which there is a lot of noise, activity and confusion because people are angry, frightened. Viplav. Pantheism. PANTHEISM. A belief that God is present in all natural things. Dev Puja. Partition. PARTISAN. An ardent and enthusiastic supporter of some person, activity. Pakshpat Purn. Pedestrian. PEDESTRIAN. A person walking and not traveling in a vehicle. Paidal Yatri. Peninsula. PNINSULA. A large mass of land projecting to a a large mass of land projecting into a body of water. Pradvip. Philosopher. PHILOSOPHER. A person who thinks deeply about things. Darshanik. Pilferage. PILFERAGE. The act of stealing a small amount or small articles. Chori. Pioneer. PIONEER. A person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of knowledge, culture, etc. that other people then continue to develop. Pratham Anveshak. Plagiarist. PLAGIARIST. Someone who uses another person's words, ideas, if they were his own, as if they were his own. Sahityak Chor. Polygon. A flat shape with at least 3 straight sides and 3 angles and usually 5 or more. Bahubhuj. Polytheist. POLYTHEIST. One who believes in plurality of gods. बहुदेववादी. तो यहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट किया पार्ट 7, जिसमें 301 से लेकर 350 तक 1 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन हमने कवर किया. अगर ये आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और अपने जो भी क्वेश्चंस है या आप कोई अगर कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वो कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखिए. और हमारे साथ अगर आप बने रहना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.